Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine in your houses, students. I am also fine. Okay, we are in third lesson in accountancy. Okay, the accounts of partnership firms. Here we have studied about what is partnership firm, its meaning, then definition, features, and the partnership deed and its contents we have learned, isn't it? Today we are going to learn if there is no partnership deed. We have studied about in the partnership deed that is not compulsory as per Indian Partnership Act 1932, but it is optional. Okay, so and it is advisable, desirable to prepare a deed for any further evidence. Okay, so if the partnership deed is not prepared, so in the absence of partnership deed, what that partnership firm has to do related to some activities. Okay, that we will learn around 5 activities. What they have to do in the absence of partnership deed. That Indian Partnership Act provision, that Act section has given some explanation. We should follow that one. First one related to remuneration to partners. Remuneration means salary. Okay. Remuneration to partners. What we have to do in the nothing is mentioned about the salary of the partners. Then no salary will be given to any partner. Okay, this one is that provision, section 13A of the Indian Partnership Act. Okay, what is said? No remuneration is to be paid to any partners. Okay, then next one, profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. So there is a partnership part that how they share the ratio, that a profit sharing ratio is should be written. But if the partnership deed is not prepared, they have to share the profit or loss equally or in the agreed ratio. Okay, but if they have not agreed, that is not mentioned in the this one in the deed, then they have to share the profits or losses equally. This one is given under section 13B. Okay, then third one, interest on capital. Interest on capital, we know each partner will contribute his own capital in the business. Okay, so they are entitled to interest on capital every year. At the end of the year, they will calculate the interest on capital. Okay, so that interest on capital will be, if it is mentioned in the partnership deed, it will be given from the profit. Okay, it is given from the profit, but in the absence of partnership deed, no interest on capital is provided for the partners. Okay, no interest on capital. But if it is mentioned in the partnership deed, and if the business has earned any profit, only then that business can give interest on capital. Okay. Then interest on loan. Interest on loan. Here, this interest on loan, if as per their agreement rate they can give, that sometimes the loan will be given by any partner to the firm. So the business has to give a certain percentage as interest on loan to that particular partner. Okay, but if nothing is mentioned about this rate of interest on loan, then that is section, okay, as per section, this one is section 13C, okay, this one section 13D, okay, how much they have mentioned, only 6 percentage per annum. Okay, only 6 percentage per annum will be given as interest on loan on the partner who has given the loan. Okay. Then the last one, interest on drawings. We know interest on drawings is the amount that is withdrawn by the partner for their private use. Isn't it? Amount of drawings are allowed to withdraw from his capital, isn't it? So if they have withdrawn any amount personally, the business will charge a certain percentage as interest. Okay, but if nothing is mentioned in the deed, then no interest on drawings is charged on the partners. Okay, here only two things, yes, isn't it? One is profit sharing ratio equally should be distributed and interest on loan 6%. But all the other things, no, it will not be given. What are the other three things? Salary to partners or remuneration to partners not given. Then interest on capital also, no interest on capital is provided on capital of the partners. Then interest on drawings also not charged on the partners drawings. Okay. So this one, there is illustration we will see and we will do one exercise also. Okay. A, B, C and D are partners in a firm. There is no partnership deed. Okay, this one only very important. How will you deal with the following? Number one, A has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital at 12% per annum. Then B has withdrawn 1000 per month. So 12,000 he has withdrawn. Other partners ask B to pay interest at 10% per annum to the firm, but B does not agree to it. Then loan advanced by C 10,000. He demands interest on loan at 9% per annum. A and B do not agree with this. Then D demands salary at the rate of 5,000 per month as he spends full time for the business. But B and C do not agree with this. Then A demands the profit to be shared in the capital ratio, but B, C and D do not agree. Okay, so we should answer now. First one, A has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital at 12%. What here there is no partnership deed. If there is no partnership deed, only two things they will provide. What are those two things? One, profit sharing ratio equally and interest on loan 6%. All the other things no. So here what we have to write? No interest on capital is payable to A. Okay. Then B has withdrawn 1000 per month. Other partners asking to pay interest 10% per annum. Here interest on drawings also no. Okay. So no interest on drawing is charged on B's drawings. Okay. The loan advanced by C 10,000. He demands interest on loan 9 per annum. So, but since here what only 6% per annum is given on loan, isn't it? So, only 6% per annum. 6% per annum is 600. Only 600 rupees is given to C as interest on loan. Then D demands salary at the rate of 5,000 per month as he spends full time. If salary, no, isn't it? So, no salary is payable to D. Then A demands the profit to be shared in the capital ratio. No. The Profit is to be shared not in the capital ratio, but it will be shared equally among all the four partners. Okay, that's all we have to write. As a statement we should write. Okay, so now let us do that exercise. We will complete that exercise. Okay, this is easy chapter only. Okay, but everything is simple, but you should understand, easy to understand only. Okay, here Akash, Bala, Chandru and Daniel are partners in a firm. There is no partnership deed. How will you deal with the following? Akash has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital at 10% per annum. So what we should write now? Exercise 1. Okay, 1. Exercise 1, number 1. Okay. Akash has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital. What is the answer? Whether he is given any interest on capital? No. Okay. So, no interest on capital. No. We can write no. Interest on capital is provided to Akash. Okay. Number 2. Bala has withdrawn 3,000 per month. Other partners ask Bala to pay interest on drawings at 8% per annum. Any interest on drawing is charged on Bala's drawings? No. No interest on drawings. No interest on drawings is charged on Bala's withdrawal or Bala's drawings. Okay, third one. Akash demands the profit to be shared in the capital ratio, but others do not agree. So how they have to share profits? Profit is to be shared equally. Profit is to be shared equally. Okay. 4. Daniel demands salary at the rate of rupees 10,000 per month. Okay. Salary, no salary will be given. No salary will be paid to Daniel. Then fifth one. Loan advanced by Chandru 50,000. He demands interest on loan at 12%. Okay. Chandru is provided only 6% of the loan, rupees 50,000. So 6% of 50,000, how much? We should calculate. Okay. 6 5s are 30, 1, 2. So 3,000. Okay, is provided only 6% of that is rupees 3,000. That's okay. This is what the answer. Usually they will ask this one for 5 marks. Okay, 5 mark question. 5 like this they will ask. Okay, only one sentence you have to write. Only 2 things. Profit shared equally, interest on loan. Other things, no. Only these 3. No 2 years. One is equal, the other one is 6% per annum. Okay. I think here in this lesson, I am going to teach you everything. Okay, I am not going to leave the deleted portion, because in accountancy you will find it difficult if I am not teaching you everything. Okay, for the last year students also I have taught them everything. Then the deleted portion we have left out. Okay, they didn't learn, that's all. But I did my job. I have completed teaching everything. Okay, so hereafter from this third lesson onwards I plan to teach you everything, because it is accountancy. So the same problem you may find it difficult when you go for higher classes. Okay, theory, okay, no problem, but that also if we have time I will teach you everything. Okay, in commerce, since we have 28 lessons, and if I teach everything you may find bore also. So now I will teach you less portion. Then if it is available, the full portion is available, I will teach you everything. But here we have only 10 lessons, around 2 we completed, third we are doing now. Okay, started. So I think we have enough time to complete this accountancy portion. Okay, otherwise also you may find difficult when you go for higher classes. So I am going to teach you the full portion in accountancy. What I have omitted also I will teach you after completing up to 10th lesson. Okay students, so today what I will write the homework also. Okay, what the homework you have to do. Okay, exercise page number 112. Okay, exercise 1. Then in this lesson, okay, define partnership. I will write the page number also. Okay, what is partnership deed? Okay, then features of partnership. Then contents of partnership deed. This I have taught in the previous class. Okay, this 4 question answers plus this problem you have to do and see. Okay, I will write the page number also. I have sent you already the pages. Okay, page define partnership 82. Then features also 82. Okay, page number partnership deed 83. Contents also page 83. This one 112. Okay, this is your homework you must do. Okay students, thank you very much.